Spring break is right around the corner, and if you're here because you're looking for a game to play in the classroom to have a little bit of fun with your students, they've been working hard all year. Give them a little bit of a break, have some fun, and while they're doing it, they're gonna get better with their fractions, okay? So Fraction Wars works like this. Jump in and play with your kids. It will be a blast. You're gonna have fun with it, I promise you that. So all you need is a deck of cards, right? It's very similar to regular war. The game works like this. Kid takes a card, next kid takes a card. Regular war, whoever has the higher card gets both of the cards. At the end of the deck, whoever has the most cards is the winner. Now, Fraction Wars is similar, okay, slightly different. You're gonna draw 2 cards. Now, you can take 2 at a time, or it could be like you take one, the person you're playing takes one, you take your second one, the person you're playing takes the second one. I don't care how that works. I just tell the kids, just decide how you want to go about it. Now, let's just play a quick round. So I'm going to play the role of myself, and then I'll move over here as the kid I'm playing. So real quick, I take a card. I got a 5. Now, I'm going to start by putting this 5 right there, and then I got a queen. Queen's gonna be worth 10, right? I'm gonna slide that queen right here. Now, on the early rounds, 5, 10, you write out what you got. Your fraction bar goes there. They're gonna be playing on a desk, so just have them lay a pencil down right there so they can put top, bottom numbers, numerator, denominator, right? Now, early rounds, you're able to decide. You could say, I want to put 5 on top, or I want to put 10 on top. Why would you decide one way or the other? Well, that's pretty common sense, right? 5/10 or 10/5. If the goal of the game is to have a higher value than the person you're going up against, you're probably going to want to pick the one that's worth more. 5/2 is really just, 5/10 is really just 1/2. 10/5 is equal to 2. So that's the one I'm going to want to use right there. I want to move that 10 to the top, push that 5 to the bottom. And now I'm hoping the person I'm competing against doesn't get anything worth 2 or more. All right, let's see how he does. Oh, it's my turn? Yeah, I got you, okay. So real quick, I pulled a 7. Ooh, nice. I'm gonna put that 7 on top for now, and a 9. I'm gonna put that 9 below. 7/9 or 9/7. So I could either go 7/9 or 9/7. Now, if I'm looking at 2, notice 10 is twice as much as 5. 5 goes into 10 2 times. Is 7 gonna go into 9 2 times? No. Is 9 gonna go into 7 2 times? No. So I don't even have a way to beat. Now in those later rounds, how do you make this a little more complicated, make them think a little bit deeper about the numbers they're drawing? Make sure they only draw 1 card at a time, right? So boom, pull a card. I got a queen. Now what I need to decide is that gonna go on top or bottom before I even know what my other card's gonna be, right? So I've got this 10, that's what the queen's worth, 10. And I gotta decide, do I wanna put that on top or do I wanna put that on bottom? Okay, there is definitely a wise decision to be made when you get a large value like a 10, right? I'm definitely gonna put that number on top. It's gonna give me many, many, many more opportunities to create whole numbers than it would be on bottom, right? The only other way to get a whole number going from the bottom with a 10 or putting a 10 down at the denominator is if I got a 10 up here as my numerator. So I don't even know what my next card is gonna be. So I'm gonna throw 10 on top. And then I'm hoping for something like a 2, right? Because 10 divided by 2 is gonna give me 5. That'd be a good number. That's gonna be tough to beat. Dang, I got 7. But still, I made the wise decision by putting 10 on top. If I would have placed the 10 on bottom, right, 7/10 is gonna be less than 10/7. So this is gonna challenge some of your kids to think a little bit above and beyond just what is the fraction given or what fraction am I dealing with. They're gonna have to contemplate, should I put bigger numbers on top? Smaller numbers on top. Those are great conversations to have. Get in there, play with them, have fun. It's a great game. I hope this one you enjoy. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.